Great people, great people. How you doing today? So many people talk about wanting to get in relationships and talk about moving on from their exes and all these things. And it's funny how so many people talk about falling in love and yet they're not ready. They don't realize they're not ready. They said they moved on. Yeah, they physically moved on, but yet they haven't. They come into relationships with all this extra baggage. Well, I'm moving, but I'm really leaving a whole bunch of things behind. And that's what most people need to do when it comes to relationships. Unfortunately, most people don't. They show up, find a new dude, new girl, and as soon as they introduce themselves, hey, what's up, blah, 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 they automatically put their bags down next to them. And if you're a smart person, you look down, check out the name on the tag. Who is that? That's not me. I don't know why you brought this. We about to bring our own baggage. And we're going to end up having drama because that baggage came from somebody else. If you're going to get in a relationship, you don't bring any baggage. Because when you get there, you're going to collect some things. The main thing that people bring into relationships are their misconceptions about them, their beliefs about what the person is supposed to do, their expectations. There's nothing wrong with having expectations for a partner to live up to. But when the expectations come and stem from a past relationship, like such and such did this, so I want you to do this, that's not fair. There's no reason that anybody should have to do exactly what the last person did. I don't want to do that. I don't want to remind you of him. Nor should the person ever have to. It's not their job. What is this luggage that you're bringing? It's your damaged merchandise, actually. What is that? It's you. You are damaged merchandise. You're lugging it around because you don't even realize it. I'm going to leave this video a little bit more open for you to give me your feedback. Go check out my blog that I posted on chroniclesofaman.wordpress.com titled Damaged Merchandise. And tell me what you think. That's the whole thorough breakdown of a person dealing with damaged merchandise. The link is below in the description box. Subscribe!